Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own light effect on your photo like this using Affinity photo. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open up Affinity photo and get started. So all the photos that I'll be using in this video are from Unsplash. I'll put the link to download all the photos in the description. Okay, so there are a few ways to add light to your photo, but in this video I'm just going to show you two ways that I often use. Okay, so the first way is first create a shape. You can use pen tool or any shape from here. I'm just going to use pen tool and create a simple shape here. Then fill the shape. Because the light in this photo is white, so I'm going to use white color. Click on this fill right here and then choose any color that you want. Then change the blend mode from normal to soft light and add Gaussian blue filter to this layer. I'm going to apply light filter, then set the radius around 25 to 50. I'm going to set it to 50. Okay, it's basically done. Then you can also mask this layer and use brush tool. Make sure you use light brush and the foreground color is black. Then you can delete the edges to make it darker like this. Okay, if it's too dark, you can always duplicate this layer to make it brighter, but I think this is enough. And you can also add dust particle to this photo to make it more realistic. I'm going to apply particle using this snow overlays by Paper Farms. Okay, I'm going to use this twinkle tool. Then change the blend mode from normal to overlay like this. As you can see, now it looks more realistic. Okay, so that was the first way. And the second way is I'm going to use this photo. The second way I have already shown you before in the previous video. Okay, so you can use lighting filter to add a dramatic light to your photo. Let me show you one more time. You can also watch this video. I'm going to apply light filter lighting. Okay, so you can watch this video if you want to know more about this filter, but what does all of these settings do to this filter. So there are three different light that you can choose here. This is spotlight, and this is point light, and this is directional light. Okay, so I'm going to set the ambient to make the background brighter. And it's done. So this is before and after I add the light. Now it looks more dramatic. Let me fix this first. I'm going to make this the lamp to the front using selection tool and apply in paint. So I need to apply it a few times. Now it's better. And so now it looks more dramatic, as you can see. Okay, so that was the second way. And bonus tips for you, so you can use this different window shape that I made. Okay, let me show you. You can also watch this video to see how to download this window shape and how to apply it to the photo. So I will make this photo darker. I will apply exposure to the photo and change the blend mode to soft white. Okay, you can use this window shape to make your photo looks more dramatic. And in this asset, it has 15 different shapes that you can choose. Okay. Okay, so that was how I add light to my photo to make it looks more dramatic. Okay, as you can see, now the photo looks more realistic and dramatic. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learned something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.